Hello, and welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we'll be discussing the importance of developing a content marketing plan as a key step in creating a successful content marketing strategy. First, let's define what a content marketing plan is. A content marketing plan is a detailed document that outlines the content marketing strategy for a business or organization. It includes a list of content goals, a target audience, a unique value proposition, and a plan for creating and distributing content. The purpose of a content marketing plan is to guide the creation and distribution of valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. So, why is it important to have a content marketing plan? Let's take a look at the 5 key reasons. 1. Strategic direction. 2. Better allocation of resources. 3. Improved customer engagement. 4. Increased ROI. 5. Consistency and measurement. Let's start with the first reason, strategic direction. A content marketing plan provides a clear direction and strategy for your content creation efforts. It helps you to align your content goals with your overall marketing and business goals and ensure that all your content is working towards a common objective. Next, better allocation of resources. A content marketing plan helps you to identify the resources you need to execute your content strategy, including the time, money, and people required. This ensures that you are making the best use of your resources and that your content efforts are efficient and effective. Third, improved customer engagement. A content marketing plan helps you to understand your target audience, their pain points and interests, and the types of content they are most likely to engage with. By creating content that resonates with your audience, you can improve engagement and build stronger relationships with your customers. Fourth, increased ROI. A well-executed content marketing plan can help you to generate leads, drive sales, and increase your overall return on investment, ROI. By reaching your target audience with relevant and valuable content, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry and build trust with your customers. And finally, consistency and measurement. A content marketing plan helps you to maintain a consistent tone and message across all your content. It also provides a framework for measuring the success of your content marketing efforts, so you can make data-driven decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Next, we will discuss the components of a content marketing plan that can help you achieve your business goals. The first component is defining your goals. The second component is understanding your target audience. The third component is establishing your unique value proposition. The fourth component is deciding on your content topics and formats. The fifth component is creating a content calendar. The sixth component is selecting your distribution channels. The final component is tracking and measurement. The first component is goals. What do you want to achieve with your content marketing? Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads? It's important to have specific and measurable goals in mind so that you can track the success of your content marketing efforts. For example, if your goal is to increase brand awareness, you may set a goal to double your social media followers within a certain time period. If your goal is to drive website traffic, you may set a goal to increase website traffic by 20% within a certain time period. Having specific and measurable goals will help you to determine the success of your content marketing efforts and make any necessary adjustments to your strategy. The next component is your target audience. Who is your content marketing plan targeting? It's important to have a clear understanding of your target audience, including their demographics, interests, and needs, so that you can create content that resonates with them. For example, if you are marketing a health and wellness product, your target audience may be health-conscious individuals who are interested in natural remedies and wellness practices. By understanding your target audience, you can create content that addresses their specific interests and needs, which will make it more likely that your content will be successful in reaching and engaging them. The third component is your unique value proposition. What sets your content marketing apart from competitors? This could be the unique perspective or expertise you bring to a topic, or the way you present information in a compelling and engaging manner. Your unique value proposition should differentiate you from competitors and make you stand out in the crowded content marketing landscape. For example, if you are a nutritionist specializing in plant-based diets, your unique value proposition may be your expertise in this area and your ability to provide practical and actionable advice on plant-based nutrition. Next, you'll need to choose your content topics and format. What topics will your content cover, and in what format will it be presented, such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts? It's important to choose topics and formats that will be of interest to your target audience and that align with your goals. For example, if your target audience is interested in natural remedies, you may choose to create blog posts that feature natural remedies for common health issues. If your target audience is more visual, you may choose to create videos that demonstrate how to make natural remedies at home. Once you've chosen your content topics and format, you'll need to create a content calendar. This will help you to plan out when you will publish your content and ensure that you are consistently creating and distributing new content. Your content calendar should include the topics and formats of your content, as well as the dates and times that you will publish them. It's important to be consistent with your content creation and distribution, as this will help to establish your brand as a reliable source of information and keep your target audience engaged. The next component of a content marketing plan is distribution channels. How will you distribute your content, such as using social media and email marketing? It's important to choose distribution channels that will reach your target audience and that align with your goals. For example, if your target audience is active on social media, you may choose to distribute your content through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If your target audience is more likely to engage with email marketing, you may choose to distribute your content through email newsletters. It's important to test different distribution channels to see which ones are most effective in reaching and engaging your target audience. Finally, you'll need to set up tracking and measurement for your content marketing efforts. This will involve setting up tracking tools, such as Google Analytics, and identifying the metrics that you will use to measure the success of your content marketing efforts, such as website traffic, lead generation, and social media engagement. By tracking and measuring your content marketing efforts, you can gain valuable insights into what is and is not working, and make any necessary adjustments to your strategy to improve your results. In conclusion, developing a content marketing plan is a crucial step in creating a successful content marketing strategy. By outlining your goals, target audience, unique value proposition, and plan for creating and distributing content, you can ensure that your content marketing efforts are aligned with your business objectives and effectively reach your target audience. With a well-thought-out content marketing plan, you will be able to effectively engage your target audience and achieve your content marketing goals.